In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar links on this Ford Escape. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the lug nuts, use a 19mm socket. And remove the wheel. Take the sway bar link nut off. I'm just going to use some locking pliers on the back side. Just tighten those up a little bit, just to keep the stud from spinning. Using a 14mm socket, take the nut off. Remove the locking pliers. Use the locking pliers down below. And we'll secure the stud from spinning. Just lock those down. Using a 14mm wrench, loosen up the nut. And because the stud is still spinning even with the locking pliers on, I'm going to use a hex key, a 5mm, right in the center of the stud on the front. Get that lined up. You can go through the lower control arm. Now I'm just going to switch to a ratchet wrench because it's easier. Still a 14mm. Once it's loosened up, it gets a little easier. Take that nut and the washer off. You can grab the link. And it slides right up. I'll slide this in place. Put the nut on. And using a 17mm wrench, put that on the stud. Then using a 15mm ratchet wrench, tighten this up. And if you can get a torque wrench in there, you want to torque that to 48 foot-pounds. Remove the wrench. Make sure this bracket is in place. Take the sway bar link, slide it through. Take the nut, get that started. I'm going to use a 17mm wrench on the back to prevent the stud from spinning. I'll tighten the nut down. And torque this nut to 46 foot-pounds. Good. Now install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Tighten those down. Now we'll torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.